Search options for finding lawnmower parts or small engine parts at LawnEq.com. There are three main search options available. Use the Find Parts by Model search. Let's go to Make and select TORO. Select product type. Let's say riding parts. Select year. Let's go to 2010. Selecting a model. Let's choose a 74360 Time Cutter Z4200. Select the assembly of the part you're looking for. 42-inch deck assembly. Select Zoom to look at the diagram and find what you're looking for, or look at the description of the part numbers below. As you can see, the number 1 part number in the diagram is the number 1 that matches it on the list. Find the hot spots on the diagram to see the part description, part number, and price. You can add the part to your shopping cart directly from this area. If you have the part number you're looking for, you can easily use the simple search feature. Type in the part number you're looking for in the search box. Let's go with part number 108-7836. As you can see, matches will start popping up in the drop-down list directly under where you're typing. Just hit search. Choose your part. Select the model you would like to view. Zoom in and you can view the exact part you need. Click Add to Cart and view what's in your cart. Search by model number. Select TORO. Then 74360. You could search from there or add the part number with it to the search. Just by pasting in the model number, you can see the result. Select the year. Select the assembly. There you'll find the diagram with parts associated to it. If you have any questions on small engine parts or lawn equipment, call 1-800-432-2909 or email us at LawnEq@barnes.com.